students, I am Nityanand Upadhyay. I am going to teach you computer science, and today we will cover the chapter data representation season 4, in which we will cover the required part of number conversion. In season 3, we have learned how to convert a number from decimal to binary, binary to decimal, decimal to octal, octal to decimal, and decimal to hexadecimal, and also how to convert a number from hexadecimal to decimal. So further part we will cover in this season. So let's start. Octal to binary conversion. The conversion from octal to binary is performed by converting each octal digits to its 3-bit binary equivalent. Means, as you have learned, in octal number system we use only 8 digits from 0 to 7. So for conversion of a octal number into binary, we used to convert each digits of octal number system into its equivalent binary, and after that at last we group all the numbers to get the equivalent binary number. As an example, we will convert 5, 4, 3, 1, which is an octal number, into binary number. So in the figure you can see, first of all I have written the binary of digit 1 as 0, 0, 1, the binary of digit 3 is 0, 1, 1, the binary of 4 1, 0, 0, and the binary of 5 is 1, 0, 1. And when we collect all these 4 groups into one group, so we have gotten the binary equivalent of 5, 4, 3, 1 octal number is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is the binary value of that particular octal number. Now binary to octal conversion. The bits of the binary integer are grouped into groups of 3 bits starting at the LSB. Then each group is converted to its octal equivalent. It means we can understood it with the help of example. In example, we will convert 10110.0110101, which is a binary number. We have to convert it into octal. So you can see in the figure we have grouped all the binary bits into 3 in the pair of 3. So let's start from the right side of the decimal, where it has been grouped 0, 1, 0, and the last one is 1, 0, 0. So the value of 1, 0, 0 will be 4, the value of 0, 1, 0 will be 2, and when we get the left side of the binary number, then we have gotten 1, 1, 0, which is equal to 6, and 0, 1, 0, which is equal to 2. So when we group these particular numbers together, then we can get an octal number in the form of 26.24. Now how to convert binary number into hexadecimal numbers? So binary number can be easily converted to hexadecimal by grouping in groups of 4 starting at the binary point. With the help of example, now in the example we have to convert 1010111010 into hexadecimal number. So here you can see, when we make the group of 4, so we can get 1010, 1011 and 10. So the value of 1010 is 10, which is denoted by A. The value of 1011 will be 11, which is denoted by B, and the value of 10 is only will be 2. So when we write the binary number 1010111010 into hexadecimal number, so we get its equivalent as 2BA. Now hexa to binary conversion. It is a process in which each hexadecimal digit is converted to its 4 bits binary equivalent. As an example, we will convert 9F2, which is a hexadecimal number, into binary number. So here you can see 9F2, we have individually get its binary digits. So the binary digits for 2 will be 0010, the binary digits for F will be 1111, and the binary digits for 9 will be 1001. And when we write it together, so we can get the binary equivalent of the hexa 9F2 will be 1001 11110010. So this is how to convert from each number system into ALGO. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you students. We will meet in next session with ASCII, ISCII and Unicode character set. Till then, thank you.